Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I am so happy to be here with you today, and I hope you're having a wonderful morning. I'm Nita.
And I'm Chandy. It is truly a pleasure to spend this time with you. Thank you for tuning in today, wherever you are in the world. We have a lot of great things planned for this session.
Today's lesson is very useful, Chandy. In fact, I think it is one of the most common things I get asked about. Many English learners feel very confused about the difference between on time and in time.
Oh, definitely. They sound so similar, don't they? It's just a tiny change in a preposition, on versus in, but the meaning changes completely. Don't worry, listeners. Today, we will explain everything step by step.
That's right. No more confusion after today. We will use easy English, simple examples, and some fun role plays to make it stick in your memory.
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly when to use on time and in time in your daily conversations. You'll sound like a pro.
Chandy, let's jump right in. Let's start with on time. Can you break it down for us? What does it actually mean?
Great question. On time basically means not late. It means something happens at the exact scheduled or correct time. Think of a clock or a calendar.
Okay, let me try an example to see if I get it. So, if a class is supposed to start at 9 a.m. and I arrive exactly at 9 a.m., I am…
Exactly. You are on time. You matched the schedule perfectly.
What if I am a bit of an overachiever and I arrive at 8:55 a.m.?
You are still on time, maybe even early. Being on time means you are there by the time the event begins. You haven't missed a single minute.
Nice. That makes sense. It's about the clock. Can you give our listeners more examples to help them hear how it sounds in a sentence?
Sure. Listen carefully to these. First, the train arrived on time. This means if the train was scheduled for 10:15, it arrived at 10:15.
Right, like a Swiss watch.
Second, please come to work on time. Your boss says this because they want you at your desk when the workday starts. And third, the teacher is always on time.
So, on time is really all about those formal schedules, right? Things like meetings, school, and public transport?
Exactly. We often use it for classes, professional meetings, trains, buses, airplanes, work shift, and appointments with doctors or dentists.
Let's do a short role play so they can hear us use it in a conversation. You be the employee, and I'll be the boss.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Good morning, Chandy. You are early today. I see you're already at your desk.
Good morning, Nita. Yes, I really like to be on time. I find it helps me start the day without feeling rushed.
That's great. I appreciate that. Remember, the meeting starts at 10 sharp.
Don't worry, I will be on time. I'll be there with my notebook ready by 10.
That sounded very natural. I think our listeners can really feel the context there.
Now let's move to the second half. Let's talk about in time. This one is a little tricky because it's more about the situation and less about the clock.
I agree. It feels different. How do you define it simply?
In time means early enough. It means something happens before it is too late or before something bad happens.
Oh, so it's not really about a schedule on a piece of paper?
Not exactly. It's more about a deadline or a critical moment. It's about avoiding a negative result.
That's a great distinction. Can you give a simple example to illustrate that feeling?
Sure. Imagine you are running for a bus. You say, I arrived in time to catch the bus. You don't care if the bus was at 8 or 8:05. What matters is you got there before the doors closed and it drove away.
Ah, I see. If I was late, I would miss it. So in time saved me from walking home.
Exactly. Or think about this. The doctor came in time to help the patient. It means the doctor arrived before the patient got worse. It was a close call.
I love that. So there is often a feeling of just before it's too late. It feels a bit more urgent or lucky.
Yes, that's a very important point. In time feels like you narrowly escaped a problem.
More examples, please. Our listeners love examples.
Here are 3. Please come in time to stop the problem. Or, we finished the work in time to submit it. And a lovely one. The rain stopped in time for the picnic.
Oh, I love that last one. The rain didn't have a schedule, but it stopped early enough so the picnic wasn't ruined.
Exactly. Now, let's do another role play for in time. This time we are going to the cinema.
Oh no, look at the queue. The movie is starting right now. We're going to miss the trailers.
Relax, Nita. Take a breath. We arrived in time. See, they are still showing the advertisement. We can still get popcorn.
Whew, great. I don't want to miss the very beginning of the story. I'm glad we made it.
Good example, right? If we were 5 minutes later, we would have missed the opening scene. We were in time to see the whole movie.
Chandy, this is great. But could you compare them one more time, very simply, so it really sticks?
Of course. Here is the golden rule. On time equals not late relative to a schedule. In time equals early enough before a deadline or a potential problem.
Let's use one single situation to show both. How about a school test?
Perfect. Listen carefully, everyone. If I say I arrived on time for the test, it means the test started at 8 and I was there at 8. I followed the schedule.
But if you say, I arrived in time to take the test, it might mean you were running late. Maybe you arrived at 8:15, but you got there before the doors were locked. You were early enough to still participate.
Yes, that makes it very clear. One is about the clock, the other is about the opportunity.
Now, dear listeners, let's practice together. We want to hear you thinking out loud.
We will give you a sentence with a blank space. Listen carefully and choose on time or in time.
Number 1. The firefighter arrived blank to save the house from the fire. Is it on time or in time?
The answer is in time. Fires don't have schedules, but the firefighter arrived early enough to stop the damage.
Good job. Now, number 2. Please be blank for your job interview. The company expects you at 2 p.m.
The answer is on time. There is a specific appointment at 2 p.m. and you must match it.
Proud of you, everyone. I can feel you all getting better at this already.
Let's summarize today's lesson before we go. It's been such a productive session.
Summarizing. Remember, use on time for schedules and appointments. It's the professional clock-based choice.
And use in time when something happens before it's too late. It's about being early enough to catch an opportunity or avoid a disaster.
On time equals not late. In time equals early enough. It's as simple as that.
Great, thank you so much for listening to us today. We know you have many choices for learning English, and we are so happy you chose to spend 10 minutes with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share it with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe for more.
Practice these phrases today. Try to use one of them in a text message or a conversation.
See you in the next English podcast episode. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye. See you soon.